Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Day Trade with Zay. I'm Isaac, and today it's Tuesday, Taco Tuesday, and it is May 23rd. So, just to give you some insight into what I see right now, so we have a clear support level that's been respected and rejected multiple times since last Wednesday, right? You could see it was respected and rejected as resistance on Wednesday, broke through it, and then since then we've got a few taps here to show that it's support. So what I've seen here, I didn't even notice this because I was at the gym. Um, we see that there's been a clear push down, right? And you can see this is the same line we used yesterday. Oh, I'm sorry, this was, yeah, yesterday. Um, as the resistance, once price broke through here, we could see multiple rejection, and then overnight, I guess at 6:45 yesterday, PST, another rejection, and ever since then, it's been falling down. So honestly, I'm not sure I see a move unless we see another retest up around this area here, which I think is possible since we know that this is a support level. But what I had seen was obviously a clear lower low, lower than these lows. So I drew out my fib, and you guys could go ahead and check the Instagram story as to why I took this trade or to see my sell limits and where they were at. But I seen here that there's a clear break of structure, right? These lows broke this low. So I drew out my fib, and here you have a clean ILC that was rejected here. Now I missed the trade here, and I put in some sell limits when it was down here, like around here, and it came back up and was able to go ahead and didn't even retest the zone, but it was able to come back up to this 4-hour R2S where it smacked it and came down. So I'd be looking for another area to enter, which would, if it's just me, I'm going to be honest, I'm not going to take anything until it gets up to about here. And then we have a nice 30 pip stop loss, and hopefully we can take that down maybe just to the 61.8, which would be something like this. And the reason I take it here is you see there's a nice little ILC right here. Boom, boom, boom. So here's the golden zone ILC, right? Up top. Now what we'd be looking for is a trend continuation, a continuation of this downtrend back into this area down here. So we could actually see it come up to right here, but I don't know if I would take the trade right there. I mean, there is an ILC, but it's kind of hard to say. So if we draw out the fib, so we know this is the golden zone here. Let's say we bring it down to this area here. That's basically the golden zone again. So I would preferably wait till here. Then we got the 5-minute EMA coming in. So I think that's the better idea is to go ahead and take that trade. Um, it's just a matter of if price is going to give it to us, but give or take, this is what I'm looking at right here. So let's see. I don't even know if it'll make it up here. Excuse me. I don't know if it'll make it up here, but if we can see a retrace back up into this area or this area here, that's when we could take the trade, in my opinion. So let's see. It's about 33 pips away, which it can definitely come back in the next 4 minutes. We also have the news coming out today. 6:45, flash manufacturing, flash services, PMI. So let's see what it gives us. Now it might not make it up here. We got to remember that. And we can see that there's a clear support right here. What, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rejections right here on the 5-minute chart. So price could come up to this area here and fall off, right? So that's definitely an option. So yeah, this is about 61% right here. So this area is actually a strong area as well, just because we know on the 1 minute that this is an LBC, or I'm sorry, an IBC, and it can reject at this area as well. So we'll see what happens right now. I don't think I'll take the trade here. I'd have to wait for it to come up to this area at least, if not this one. So let's see. see if it can make it up here. 3 more minutes. Let's see what price gives us. Right, you can see how the 4-hour kind of broke this area. I'm sorry, broke the trend line right here. Boom, started making its way down. So, see if we get what we want. On Nas basically came down. I had a trade in yesterday, and for some reason I took it off. I just thought since it had broke the highs up here, I had went through all this fluctuation, this little point up and point down, and once I seen that, I was like, it's probably going to continue to push up just because this high broke these highs. So I jumped out of the trade, shit, less than 6 pips, like at 2 pips, something like this. And you see what happened as soon as I exited. It's made its way down tremendously. So let me see something here. That looks clean too. Right here at the trend line, I think I might actually like this a little bit more. You can see where this 5-minute EMA is at. See that right there. Whoops. Whoops. 629. Scare money don't make money. So I actually like this area right here as well, just because it's the trend line that was used as support, right? It's now being used as resistance. Maybe we could see it come back up. Let's take a look at the 5-minute. You see the 5-minute EMAs sort of making its way back. So we'll see what price gives us here at this point. So both of these trades are valid to me. Both of them. I think they both should continue down. You see something here. Opens about 15 seconds away, so let's see what it gives us. Yeah, I actually do like this area right here. Considering this was also the area that we kind of knew was like this, right? Support to resistance. If we could see a retrace, that'd be cool. Doesn't have to though. Damn. Yeah, look at that. And I tell you right here. Damn. Well, there that goes. Just missed it on both positions here. So I was getting a little bit of a retracement, I guess. Not really. Man, US30. We would have took it here, had about 60 pips stop loss. We would have been up about 60 pips, 57, 57. I mean, it is what it is. I would have rather have taken the trade up here. I just didn't have the confirmations to take it here. I understand it's a clear support, support, support. But what I look for, I guess there was, but it wasn't a strong one either. So what I look for is the IOC. This candle here with that little weird candle right there made me not want to take this trade here. So give or take, that's exactly why I didn't take the trade. Oh, we got Nas here. Let's see if we can get something going right here. Now this is a possibility as well, but I think we could see it fall off right here because of this resistance area. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see what it does once it gets up into the zone up top. Is it already rejecting it? All right, let's see what happens right here. I'm not going to just jump in because I know this area up top is a possibility, but I will have a, let's see if we get some respect right here. See if it blows past this or respects it. Okay, I put a little trade in right now. Dang. Oh, look, I'm in a decent position. I am in the trade. I got a decent position right now, but it does seem to be carrying up still. But we're in the trade now. Um, we'll see if it gives. Oh, I mean, it is showing some respect right here, so I am in the trade. Damn, I wish I would have put a bigger position in. I guess I didn't. Yeah, I should have put a bigger position in. Okay, well, we're getting some respect right here. Still 30 seconds left on the minute. We are only up uh, about 8 pips. Damn, okay, so it looks like it is getting respect right here. Let's see. It's kind of a big push up to start the next minute, right? So I have this position in. I'm basically at the top right here. I don't know how I got that position in. I'm basically at the top. I added another one. We'll see if it can hold up. That's the biggest thing. Doesn't have to, right? And then we got news at 6:45, so it's bouncing off of the support level, which I don't like, right? We got a clear level of support right here. And I guess we could push this up a little bit, but you can see how price is respecting and rejecting these areas, right? We'll see if it can fall off right here, though. I mean, that's really all we need. Doesn't have to, though. So realize we got a 40 pip stop. Honestly, we should have our stop loss probably about 60 pips, but I would just be careful with that. If it breaks this right here, then I'll definitely be shorting my position right now. Well, at this area. If it shows respect, hopefully it does. We'll see something else. Getting back up into the zone. And again, for this trade, I like to see it break through this area right here and at least TP1 right here at 61% in this ILC at 80 pips. And then hopefully you'll see respect here. And then if we see that break, we can see it come down till about 194 pips, which are all possibilities, right? And it's still sitting up here, which I don't like. And like I said, it could make it up to this top area before falling off. But I do like this level here before then. So we'll see. It's still pushing up right now. So unfortunately, you can see how it's kind of moving right here. Still respecting and rejecting, but it's also carrying up still. So this isn't good right here, if I'm just being honest. We got to see it fall off and the next one turn bearish and start making its way down. Hopefully that's a possibility. We need this thing to finish bearish, preferably. Yeah, I don't really like the finish, but let's see. It's still rejecting it, right? So we'll see if this holds up right here. Five-minute finish, pretty bullish, so we'll see how this next one finishes. I'd like to stay on the 1 minute because I think this is going to kind of give us an idea of what price is going to do. a little bit more clearly. So we can clearly see here that there is a somewhat trend line being built. So we got to see price break through here. Or better than that, it has to break through. Then we got resistance right here to support. So it needs to break the trend line and break this line. And I think we'll be in business to continue down, but it has to break them, right? See if it can break it. This is the moment of truth right here. If it respects the EMA and this resistance to support on these smaller time frames, then we know there's a good chance it could push up. So I'd like to see it break through all of this area here. So we're up about 100 and, oh, it's pushing up. Let's see. On our top position, both of my positions are 3 pips away from each other. And we're only up about 12 pips on our top position and about 9, 8 pips. Let's go in a little bit. Let's see if we can continue falling. We're only up about 10 pips or so on my bottom position, so see if this thing can keep falling. That's what we really need, is a push down. Okay, I like the way that 1 minute finished, but it still didn't break through, right? So let me show you what I'm looking at. See how it didn't break through? It can still push up from here. This is still a resistance to support area. So this could be the end of it. Price could engulf and start stacking and building this way. So that's why I'm always mindful of what price is doing at these points. For me, I don't think I'm going to keep this at 60 pips. I'm going to keep this at about 40 pips. And hopefully it doesn't take us out, but I would prefer this 5 minute to finish more bearish. This isn't helping us right here. 20 seconds left. I prefer for it to finish below here. So see if it can do that. It's got to come down more. That's not enough. Yeah, for it to finish that way, I'm not sure. I don't like it. So let me show you on the 1 minute what I'm seeing here. Engulfing candle. Now we have this thing. I mean, hopefully it rejects it again, but I think I'm going to close one of my positions here because I feel like it's probably going to push through this and move on to the next ILC. So let me see here. Still rejecting it, but this move right here kind of told me that it wants to do something else, right? Kind of at least wants to go up to the next level. 10 seconds left. Let's see. Yeah, look at that. Still respecting and rejecting it, so that's the only reason I haven't closed it, but it looks to be on its way up. Just the way momentum's kind of pulling it. Let's see if this thing can hold up right here. I'd like to see it just fall off. So that's the fluctuation. Like, I can only imagine these guys like Q Banks and all them. I was up about $140 at one point. Now I'm only up about 20 something, 40. It's bouncing in between 20 and 30 right now. Teens. Shit, it's pushing up. See, the 1 minute finishing like that, that tells me momentum is pulling things to the upside right now. So for me, it's already pushing up. I'm down about $40 right now, but it looks like it's on its way up right now. So that's where I'm kind of worried. But, we could thug it out, see what happens. If it moves up to the next level, I'll enter a position. I wouldn't thug it out if I were you guys. I don't know what you guys got in your account. This definitely looks like it can push up to the upside. And we got to remember, looking at this 15 minute, that this could be completely wrong right here. I would maybe need to go here, and maybe we see this is the golden zone, right? And this is an IOC that we maybe shouldn't have taken price at. So that's where we got to be mindful of what price is doing, right? So now that it's under, if you look at it this way, be looking at something like this. Oh, still rejecting. Oh, oh. I mean, let's see what happens right here. I like that fall off. Let's see if it can really fall off because we got a minute and 33 seconds left on the 15 minutes. So if we could see this thing fall off down here, I'd really like that because it gives us an opportunity to really enter, not enter, but to really see this thing break below and push down. So it's got a minute and 15 to break below this low here and finish below the low, my opinion. That would make me feel comfortable, but let's see what happens. This next one has to finish below here. It's not doing it though. See how it's respecting that area? And this is a clear resistance to support zone right here. So it can just continue to push up and make its way up. Now again, we're up about $70 right now. 74, 68, 58. So it's kind of pushing up right now. But let's see if it can finish below. The 15 minutes going to finish right now in about 20 seconds. And we got the news coming out right now as well. So let me get the news up. So news is either going to pump up on us or push down on us. So have your stop losses ready. Uh, mm, mm, Damn, it looks like it's going to come up. Created a higher low right here. News hasn't dropped yet. Still hasn't dropped, but price seems to be coming up right here. You can see how there's higher lows being formed. Less than 50 is terrible. Okay, less than 50 and above 50. So manufacturing is below 50. Flash services PMI is above 50. So better than expected. So I don't know how to play this right here. I'm just being honest. I mean, I'm trying to trust the trade, but it's playing up here, right? I don't even know how to take this. We got new home sales at 7, but level of diffusion index based on surveyed purchasing managers in the services industry above 50 indicates industry expansion, below indicates contraction. Yeah, it looks to be pushing up right now. I'm trying to hold it because it's being respected, but I think I'm going to get out of the trades. I mean, I don't know how to take it because one of them is really good and one of them is really bad, right? The numbers. Hmm. What is it doing? I'm getting kind of nervous now just because I don't know how to take this. What did Logan speak? What did this guy say? I didn't even see this. I don't know who Logan is. The speed of transaction is how they need to manage liquidity risk, and every bank should be ready to borrow from the Fed. What? That's not good. It looks to be coming up though. I think I'm gonna get out of the trade. At least some of my positions right here. Just see. Good morning. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and get out of the trade now, just because.
I want to go to school early again.
Okay. Do you see me right here? Okay.
Can I make waffles or do I have to eat all?
Tell your mom to make you some food. Good morning, both of you guys. Yeah, I don't know. I'm a little on edge right now, and even though it's respecting this, I still see a trend line forming up to break this to the upside, right? So like, same thing we've seen here. I would need to see this break through all of this, and I don't think it is, just the way it's looking. So, I mean, I just want to see it fall, at least like 5 to 10 pips, like finish a strong 5 pip candle, or 10 pip candle down here. Like it's showing respect, but it's not. It's showing respect, but it's not getting out of here. And when you see that, sometimes it just means it's trapping all of us sellers right here to stay in the trades. What happened to your shirt? Mama took it off? Why'd Mama? Oh, tush, tush. See, it's finishing up. Oh my gosh, it's giving me all types of hope, man. I think I gotta get out of some of these trades right here. Why are you crying, dude? Yeah, I think I'm gonna remove this position here, just because it looks like it could push up on us. Wait, one of my alerts got hit for US30. Whoops, not right there. Here. No, up here is where the alerts are at. I'm gonna get out of this NAS trade. I've already closed half of my position, and you can see what US30 is kind of doing right here. Man, I closed my 0.05 on my NAS a little early. Shit, and my US30 activated right here. Just a 0.03, but it did activate. I'm kind of nervous because shit is volatile as hell right now. I'm in like this. But let's stick to NAS. I'm on US30, but let's stick to NAS. See if it can break through here. You got mocos, dude? You got mocos? You got mocos in your nose? So on US30, I have it a little bit differently, but this thing looks to be pushing up. I don't know, man. A lot of rejections from the bottom, but also respecting the ILC right here up top. Oh man. Well, good thing I closed my 0.05. We'll see if it moves on to this next position area up top. And this one should be hitting my second one up here. So let's see. Dang, everything's activated. So my stop losses are set on everything. We'll see what happens right now. Now I'm a little nervous because I don't know how to quite take this news right here. You can see US30 is kind of pushing right now. NAS is pushing too. I'll stick to NAS right now just because I know this is what we all have. My US30's in profit already. Man, I think I'm gonna close NAS, man. I don't know. I just don't like having these two pairs open at the same time. You can see what it did, right? Remember that trend line? See how it came up to the top of it with this resistance to support and fell? Dang. What's wrong with you, dude? Dang, Nas is falling off too. Shit. I don't know what to do. Holy moly donut shop. Holy moly donut shop. Holy moly donut shop. Dang, we're in profit with everything. Damn. Shit. It's pumping up and pumping down, and see how it's using this as support now. Hopefully it uses this as resistance, and then right here it's still using this area as support, right? I mean, we have home sales coming in at 7. Maybe that's what the price is waiting for. I'm not too sure. But US30 is hitting right now. So my US30 trade, I had sell limits on both IOCs. That's hitting right now. I just closed my bottom level. Now this is just, I think I'm going to get out of NAS. Yeah, it looks to be pushing up right here. You okay, Sai? Damn, I see NAS is pushing up. I think I'm going to close my NAS, and my US30 is pushing down, man. Pushing down pretty heavy right now, and I closed this position just to get out of it. Shit, I got a position like way up here right now. And my NAS just continues to push up, and we know how that goes. So, yeah, look at that pump to the upside for NAS. I closed one of my positions. I think I'm just gonna close all of them with the loss right here. They keep getting higher and higher. I'm gonna close all these positions right here. My US30 is pumping and hitting right now, so let me see. I'm up about 30 pips. My top position, 29. Yeah, give or take, that's about right. Yeah, I just closed. It's too much for me to do both. So I'm gonna. And it's right on top of this level. We'll see what it does right here. And then we got home sales coming out too, so that can be a big factor. So I'm down $47 for the day. My NAS, I took a what was that, $75 loss. So US30 seems to be staying up here. Shit, maybe I'm against the news. Maybe this news is a little bit worse than or better than expected, and I'm just reading it wrong. All right. So yeah, new home sales and Richmond Manufacturing Index are coming out right now. Let's see if this area can hold up right here. If you want to enter, you can enter right here. I wouldn't, just because we see these rejections and the news might be good. I would wait for it to retest up here if it does. And for me personally, kind of thinking about moving my stops to break even already. I don't think we would need that much. I'm going to call it right here. So for me to be about 35 pips, and we'll see if it can break down below to the downside. NAS is still respecting this area, right? Still respecting it, honestly. It can push down still. Oh shit. I ain't gonna lie, I put something right there. But it might not work. Let's see if we can stay down. So I'm down 47 on the day. I got about $300 running right now, floating. The news is coming out in about 2 minutes right now, so we'll see what it gives us. Honestly, first TP is going to be 48 pips. I think we should take profit here just because we don't know what's going to happen. If it even comes down, it might just blow past everything and we might lose it all. So we got to be mindful of that. But first TP is probably going to be right here, 47 pips. Second TP, I think, and it's still pushing up. This area is somewhat holding up. We know that this is a 4-hour R2S. So, see what happens. News is about to come right now.
Daddy has a booger. It looks like an arrow.
Ew.
Can you clean it, please?
NAS is somewhat hitting right now. A little bit in profit.
Here you go. To the center, bye.
So NAS, I do have a position in. Let me fix it. I'm in maybe, I'm up about 4 pips on NAS, so I'm in right here. This took me out. I'm in about 4 pips of profit on NAS. Only a few pips of profit. Let's see what. Dang. Richmond manufacturing was negative 15. I don't know why that's pushing the news up. NAS, I'm up still. Like 2 pips. US30, I'm down a couple pips. Shit, I'm down more pips. Where am I at? Damn. Don't tell me. Jesus. New home sales are up 23,000 right now. So I don't know what that means exact. I don't know how new home sales are up 23K or 18K. So shit. I don't know. We'll see how this plays out. My US30 is kind of in profit. NAS is somewhat in profit, but not really. Man, I think I just got to get out of these trades. US30 still respecting, but nothing crazy. NAS, I'm down 4 pips, 2 pips. US30. Man, I'm in like right here, so it's kind of hard for me to get in and get out. I'd like to see US30 fall right here, just break below, but it doesn't have to. Man, it seems to be pushing up. NAS seems to be pushing up. Man, I might just exit all these trades. NAS might be headed up to this next level. US30 looks to be headed up. Maybe. What's up, dude? Oh, shit, son. It's so fucking volatile right now. It's crazy. It seems to be holding up right here, but if it can fully engulf out of here, we'd be in business. But if it stays up here, we know it's just pushing up. And I just don't know how to read the news if that's the case. NAS is in profit. US30 is somewhat in profit. NAS is only in profit 1 pip. US30 is barely in profit at all. Now we're negative, so. Man, you know what? I think I should just close it because we could obviously see what's happening here. It's a big push up. My kids are yelling. NAS is still somewhat hidden. Still holding both. NAS, obviously, I'm going to hold through that. Oh, US30, let's see. TP1 is going to be 43 pips for NAS, if it can make it down there. TP1 for US30 is going to be, if it breaks this purple line right here, we'll take it, honestly, right here at 46 pips, like we said. But it has to break the purple. It has to break through all this shit, right? So let's see what it gives us. Still not breaking. NAS, I'm still in. See what happens. See, it seems to be heading up here. NAS is heading down, so I still have my NAS in. US30, I'm not too sure about anymore. NAS looks to be doing good right now. US30, not so much. We'll see if we can hold on to these. Oh, shit, son. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens here. Cookie. Mama. See if it can continue down. Honestly, I'm just kind of nervous. I think I like the NAS a lot better than the US30 though, just because it's still using this area as resistance, and I think we could see it fall off right here. US30, I'm just not too sure about. I think we could see it fall off right here for sure, but I don't know. So. I don't know what happened to my shit. It froze. Shit. Come on, man. Man, this NAS has been looking like this all since Friday. And my fucking shit is not loading. Ah, shit. Shit.
You want one peanut butter?
US30 seems to be hitting right now. My phone is still not loading, so I don't know what I'm looking like right now. I want to kind of pull some positions. I feel like I'm a little over leveraged right now for what's going on, and my shit is still not loading.
Look at how far I can stretch.
Is this everybody's shit? Because I see the computer's not really moving either. I'm up 200 right now with a $10 a pip on both sides, US30 and NAS, but I'm not so, let's see. Not so sure. Wow, NAS is still pushing up. Yeah, the volatility today is kind of crazy, so. You want to go to school early? Damn. So I was up about 2 something. I'm only up about 50. 10. Damn, son.
How did you get more sick last night? Want banana?
Man, is this thing gonna fall or what? Damn, I guess not. This thing looks like it's gonna continue to push up. I mean, so I'm guessing the flash services is better than the flash manufacturing and are more important. And the new home sales is more important than the Richmond manufacturing. So I think that's kind of what we're seeing right here. This shit's so volatile right now, it's crazy. I don't think I've seen it this volatile in some time, to where it's fluctuating this much within 10 seconds, 5 seconds. It seems to be pushing up. I'm going to close my positions right now. I mean, it just looks to be pushing up on us right now, so damn. 5 minute just finished on both of them, and they look both pretty bullish right now. So I think I'm going to hop out of the trades now, just because of what I'm seeing. You can see here on this 5 minute, I mean, unless it just fully engulfs it, which I doubt, because now it's on top of the ILC, is what we'd probably be looking at. US30, same thing. You can see it's basically using this as support now. His window wasn't open in his room, right?
No, but I'm sure it was cold. I got sick. But it says it's only 72 degrees.
I know. So NAS is still respecting, and I'm still holding, but I'm about to close most of these positions just to get out of them. NAS is looking good. And it's still, like, I have my stop loss right here, so it still hasn't hit my stop loss. US30 looks to be getting out of here. See that? Damn. I think I'm going to close this. It just looks to be getting out of here now, so I'm down about $100 something on US30. Wow. Wow. I was just about to close US30. I'm going to close my bottom position on US30 for sure. For me, that was for you.
What?
That was for you, wasn't it?
No, I put mine in the refrigerator.
Oh, thank you, baby. So, I mean, I closed my bottom position on US30. My top position It's fucking negative now. Damn, I should have closed both.
I haven't watched the news in maybe like a year.
Don't. NAS seems to be doing alright, but it's still in the same area. So US30, I'm out of it now. I do have a sell limit if it breaks this to come in. So we'll see if it works for us, you know what I mean? NAS is still looking good though. Somewhat. It still hasn't broke, but hasn't broke the EMA, but let's see if we can get out of here. See if it could fall off.
I think he's trying to get up the.
He's been having some. He's been real funny with his hands lately.
Oh my god.
See if we can break it. This is about as ugly as it gets right here, though, if I'm just being honest. US30 is still holding up. NAS is still holding up. Alright, let's see what happens. I put another one on US30. Let's see. Small stop loss, about 15 pips. If it takes me out, it takes me out. So you can see how small my stop losses are right about now. 15 pips on both sides. So US30 and NAS, I got a 15 pip stop loss. 13 pip stop loss here. Come on, just fall. So US30 is looking pretty decent if it can continue down. I close my bottom position. Let's see if we can hit now. Gotta break this right here. Damn, I don't think I've ever done this before. Still not breaking it right here. US30 seems to be falling pretty good, but it's right on the trend line. It's respecting the 5 minute and the 1 minute EMAs, which I don't like. Wow, don't tell me it really did that. I hope these things fall, because I'd hate to see that happen. But if you want to take profit, take profit. We see what's happening here. So if you want to take profit, take that shit.
Are you all done? Of course you need the Nutella on you. Okay, let me get your wavy. Hold on.
No way. No fucking way. Wow. That shit really did that. On both of them. Wow. I don't even understand this. I mean, I understand it, but really? How the fuck did that happen? I was up about 5 right now, thinking it was out of here. Wow. What is happening? I don't think I've ever seen it this volatile. This might be the most volatile day that I've ever seen in my life.
Oh, you scratched me.
What the fuck? What is happening here? I mean, came all the way up. I don't even know what it's doing right now at this point. I'm up about 10 pips on US30, and I'm up about 1 pip, my smallest position, or my closest position on NAS. So trying to hold on tight, but I don't know if I can hold on much longer. See how it's on top of this now? Broke below it, gave me hope. Broke below both of these actually, gave me hope. And in 1 minute, it shot up to 27, 58, 30 pips. And another 20 pips past that.
Wake up, achievers. You're making the most of every hour of your life.
See what happens here.
She want what me have. Oh, me know.
Babe, can you turn it down?
Yes.
What that feeling?
But I'm
Jealous? Okay.
A little bit more, please.
When you
Because they'll delete the whole YouTube video. See how it's treating both of these right now. It's really playing right now. I'll tell you that much. Let's see what happens.
720.
See if it breaks. Got trades in on both of these. Let's see what happens. Still giving it up right here. Bless you. Bless you, dude. Dang. Out of nowhere, huh? What's wrong, dude? I'm still holding. Let's just see if it goes our way. Come on, just fall. Wow. About as ugly as it gets, man. Man, I really don't know why it's still in these zones right here, still in these areas. See if it can finally break below, man. Looks to be coming up, man. This is crazy now at this point. Oh. Oh. I'm gonna give it till 7:30. It's either gonna hit my stop loss or we're gonna make some money by 7:30. So, or before then, the way these things are pumping up again. Doesn't get much uglier than this, though. I'll tell you that much. Especially here on NAS, that's pretty fucking ugly. US30 had movement, but you know this was the real move right here. This trade to the downside. These two trades right here to the downside were the moves that we should have took. So, damn. I mean, they're still holding up, but it's. I think we know where they're going at this point. They're on top of 4 hour, starting to more and more. So, looks like it's getting up out of here. Now it seems to be coming down a little bit, but not what we want still. Let's see. Damn, and US30 is up out of here. Damn. Well, I guess that's how price played out today. Shit. We're still in profit on NAS, but US30 looks like it's getting up out of here. Damn. Damn, damn, damn. I think where US30 is headed now, hopefully NAS comes down. I think where US30 is headed now is kind of like what we thought with NAS. I think it's headed up to only up about $70 here on NAS, and it looks like it's gonna come up on us too. So what I'm kind of thinking now.
Is it gonna be hot or cold today?
Sorry guys, let's see what's happening here.
She said it's gonna be a rain shower. Cause it's spring!
Oh, okay. What? 70 what?
73. Those are for clouds.
That's a degree the highest it's gonna be too.
What?
Look at that.
You, Brooklyn. I didn't know look exactly like you in Brooklyn.
Because Brooklyn usually wears pink towels. And I usually wear those.
Hopefully this NAS falls right now and gives us something. US30 looks like it's up out of here, and you can see off of these levels how it kind of just took off from here. did break the low, so I think maybe we could see it pull up to this area or even up to the daily again before falling off. So Nas is still sitting here. I think I'm gonna just close it, man. Damn. Num 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 num. And I think Nas is so overbought right now that it has to come down, but it doesn't have to come down when you want it to come down, you know? See if we can keep pushing. It's not looking like it though. Like on this hour, I know let's look at the 30-minute. 30 minutes still looks pretty bullish, and it's finishing like this. So we don't know exactly how price is going to give it to us, but hopefully the next one, we got a double tweezer top, just comes down. Elmo! Oh shit! Come on. Come on, let's go. Let's keep it like this. I don't see how. So what we need to do is see a break this support to resistance area, this red line, and then the purple line. Hopefully we can see that happen. Come on. Come on. So we're up about 140 right now. I'm sorry, 240. About 20 some pips on our small position, on our lowest position. Come on. Break that shit, son. See if we can break it. It's close to it, right? Still hasn't broke it, but let's see if we can get down there. Still respecting it. Damn. Wow. This is crazy right here. Yeah, I think I'm going to get out of it. We could obviously see what's happened here. This low is higher than this low. I think what we got here now is even though it's on the 15-minute, price just isn't respecting the zone, or is respecting this a little too much.
Cool, folks. Good
Alright, let's see what happens. I moved my stops to break even now, and we're only up on our bottom position about 12 pips. So sheesh, this is crazy. This is gonna finish right now in the next 5 minutes. I'm sorry, this 5 minute candle is gonna finish in the next 30 seconds. And just the way it looks, we got multiple rejections right here. We've already tried to sell off from here, and it kind of worked, but it didn't break through. So I think at this point, we know where price is headed, and it's not our way. You know, at least not now. So, damn.
Okay, no more. You need to listen to like something else. Yeah, let's go to your turn.
I could see it coming up to these levels. Maybe it's gonna be something like this. No, right? Something like this. Now you see the golden zone. I don't see. Right with the 30-minute EMA, that definitely might be the area where it's looking. I'm not putting anything in right here, but it's definitely an area where we could see price fall off from. I kind of want to, but let's see. Stick to NAS. Come on, man, break this shit already. Still not breaking. One of those fucking days, man. I don't know why NAS has been on this type shit, but it has been. What's up, dude? What's up, dude? How did this 5 minutes? Wow. Now it's pushing up. That shit's really coming back out. That's crazy. Damn. Silas. Silas. What's up? You wanna fight? You wanna fight? Just got stopped out of my bottom position. Good thing it actually took me out in profit for once. Let's see what happens here, man. You okay, dude? Thing definitely looks like it's headed up. I think I'm going to close my positions now. Too much time wasted, and I'm down $1.55. I got $18 running, and I did put a sell in on US30 right now. That's up $27. So at this point, I think, you know, I'm doing too much now. Is what I think. So I think it's time for me to get off the charts and get away from this now. Focus on hopefully where I went wrong here and why price reacted to the news the way it did. What means more? All those types of good things right there. What is it gonna do, man? Wow. Is it really reacting now? That's crazy if it is. See if it finishes through. Come on. Oh shit. Come on now. See if it holds up. I mean, it's holding up. Let's see if it can hold up for the last 5 minutes right here. Come on. What? Come on, man. Just fucking fall. I don't understand. This shit is bullshitting.
Those are expensive earrings. Put some chapstick on. Very.
Super duper.
I'm glad I found the earring underwater. Aren't you glad? She absolutely loves Starbucks.
Yes.
It's like one of her things. Daddy, are you ready to go to school?
Yeah.
You can see me?
Mm-hmm.
Where?
The camera. What are you looking for? What do you want? What do you want?
You want to get
I have something in my desk for her.
Come on, man. Come on.
So give your brother water, please.
Okay, I'm gonna give him my. Okay, come on, let's go to school.
Come on. Wow. That's the letter of the day. Shit's still not breaking. I'm out of here. This is doing way too much. And I'm done. Thank you guys for tuning in with me today.